Thank you for having me on the show again. It's great to be here. This is a great investment for us in robotics here in Sweden, Stockholm, where we announced today that we are going to invest 280 million in our new facility. That is actually an expansion of our existing facility that serves the European market. So 90% of the market in Europe is served out of the robotics factory from here. We will consolidate 9 buildings, and we will create a new collaborative hub for robotics, automation, and AI, where we will bring in, partners, universities, and customers to innovate for us. It's going to be very exciting for us and our employees, and to serve, the next wave of growth in robotics and automation.
Indeed, it does sound very promising. One question I do want to ask you is about competition and where you see the biggest competition stemming from. Earlier on in the show, we were talking about the threat that European automakers are facing from the likes of Chinese automakers, which has actually prompted a response at the European Commission level. To what extent do you think Europeans' robotics business is also being challenged by China?
Well, the robotics market is been played by many players. We, as an ABB, as a Swiss-Swedish company, and then we have also the Japanese competitors, and we have rising Chinese competitors as well. So these are the three basically ecosystems of robotics. We are well positioned with our innovation, with our software. We have technologies in vision and AI and many others, and we are quite well positioned both in the automotive market, but also in the emerging, other markets in this industry.
Sami, to follow that question up, what do you make of the concern and the criticism, really, that the Europeans are at risk of falling behind in the technological innovation space, especially as AI becomes a more prominent force in the world? The real giants stand in China and the US. So does Europe look like it's going to fall behind?
Well, at least in our industry, I believe we are very well positioned, especially on the robotics and the AI side. We have actually 3 hubs where we develop. One is in the US. We even have in the Silicon Valley an AI team of manufacturing and R&D in Auburn Hills. We have it in Sweden, but we have also in Germany, in Barcelona, large development hubs, and then we have also in Shanghai. I can tell you that we have a lot of projects on AI. I myself did my PhD 30 years ago on AI and robotics, and these things come in waves. And we've been working on AI technologies now for quite a while. I mean, we have inspections of welds using AI technology. We have vision and AI systems that navigate a mobile robot through an unknown environment, even a factory. And now with the generative AI, we have lots of technologies that we will bring into the robots that will serve and increase, the ability for robots to work in an unstructured environment. I mean, imagine where a robot is being talked to in the future by voice, interpreted, and it does the task. Imagine where synthetic data can train a robot on multiple places. So this is actually all already reality here, and I believe we are well positioned to serve that market.
Amazing that you